morning, students of standard 6. Today GK we are going to see about lesson 30 and 31. 30 and 31. So this I am explaining about GK. In 30th lesson and in 31 lesson number 30 we will see about the sports. Understand, beside our studies, beside other curricular activities, sport is one of the most important curricular activity. Sports are of different types of games. Baseball, hockey, running race. Understand, there are badminton, we can say about the cricket. So many types of games are there. 5. People like to play games. Even the small children, understand, the indoor games are there, there are outdoor games. So outdoor games which is very necessary, we should be at least interested in our outdoor game. Because what does it do? Sports, besides if you are only with your books, you are called bookworms and it will not improve your knowledge. So with the help, not only seeing TV, understand, playing games in the mobile, that will not do. But if you play sports, at least running race, kabaddi, so many types of games are there. You must be interested in at least one or two types of game. Some like different types of games. Understand what it will do? It will help in the improvement in our life. Participate, provide the character buildings, recreation, health improvement. Understand what it does? How to talk with others, because you are meeting in group in the sports. If you play only with mobile games in the mobile, that will not do. Only you are sitting alone. So you will not mix up with the other children, other people. So it is very necessary because it helps us to mix with other people, participate, provide us. It will improve our even the mentality. Understand? It will help us in the characteristic. It helps us to meet. Then recreation. It becomes one type of recreation. Sports become one type of recreation. Health improvement. Our health can be improved. So yoga and sports, understand, they are very necessary in our life. There are different types of, now you see, sports is there. Understand, at home near your house. Understand, you cannot build because it takes a lot of rupees to spend in the, but when you go to the schools, when you go to the special clubs, the government, understand, the sports are there. There are different playgrounds are on different play. See, if we are asked to play cricket, if the cricketers asked to play, it cannot in the competition. Understand, they cannot play on the playing ground. So pitch is made for them. Understand, so different grounds are there to play the different games. Throw ball is there. Understand, we cannot play without net. Understand, there are different games. Sports ground are made for different games. Sports. First, you see, here I have written the names of the games, and front of that I have written the ground. In your textbook, if you see on the 30th page, you can get clear picture of the ground. I have not drawn here, but you can get the drawing if you see the page number 30. And still I am requesting you, who have not purchased Learn Well Grass GK6, please purchase from the market. It is available there. So you can read easily. So we have started from second sem. So I have already given the video of lesson 27 for you in that page number. Understand, I have given the other notes also with that. See now here, so games, just I am explaining you, you have listened, game, the name of the games and the ground we are going to see. Baseball. Baseball is one type of cricket it is. Understand, the bats are completely round from down and like bat, like cricket only it is playing, it is been played. So baseball, the diamond shape. It requires the ground is diamond shape. You know not the diamond shape. Then shooting archery. Archery means learning bow and arrow. That ground is called range. Then skating and curling. Skating and curling, if you are asked to play in the diamond shape, it will become very difficult for the people to play skating. So for the skating there are different ground, that is called rink. Rink has been made in that, so skating and curling is movement. Understand, it is very easy in the rink. Golf course. Understand, golf is played in the golf course. Track cycling. Understand, if tracking cycling is there, you cannot drive anywhere, otherwise you will fall down. Understand, so there are tracks around. Ground is shown in that, so tracking is played in different ways. Sometimes lines are been drawn, sometimes there is another type of tracking, how you can do the tracking. So tracking cycling is called velodrome. Velodrome means it is the name of the ground, and that type of ground is made where track cycling is done on that. Cricket. Where is cricket played? Pitch in stadium. Stadium is big, but for one middle there is pitch for the cricketers to play. Then track, you can say track in stadiums. Understand? Track means what? Running race. Running race is played in stadium, but there are rows are made, so one child cannot move to the other and they fall in that middle. So they have to run in the track only. You see here in school also running race competition is there, badminton, then many baseball. Understand, these all type of games are played. So what you do? During competition or when you are having competition, at that time tracks have been drawn. So you have to run in the track only. For that, track is the stadium. Means in school on the playground it is done. But here there is in the country when the competition is going on in the stage, at that time what? At the stadium, there are different, in the stadium tracks have been drawn. Then tennis, badminton, this type of games, handball, then kho-kho, kabaddi. These all type, they are called court. Understand? What is that ground name? Court. So these all types of games are being played in the court. So this is explanation about the 30. You see in the picture all the different types of games. Ground are being drawn and how the children are being shown there. How they are playing, how they are tracking, and how tracking of cycling, golf, then skating and curling. So different names of the games are written and different names of the ground. See questions, how the type of questions can be asked. On which ground baseball is being played? So on which type? It is played on diamond shape. Where shooting and curling? How is the ground of shooting and curling? So it is called range. It is called range. Then shooting and archery, range it is called. Track cycling, velodrome. So if games names are asked, you have to write the names of the ground. If ground names are asked, you have to write the name of the games. So in this way, questions will be put on this base. So you have to learn and write in the points to points. So it will be very easy for you to understand how I have written on the board. How you make in book baseball. Then you write the name of the ground, diamond shape. You write in this form. So it will be very easy for you to learn. Otherwise you will confuse. With ring you will write range. If golf courses are, you will write velodrome. So these all mistakes will be done by you. So write points to points. Now you see lesson 31, Asian Games we are going to see. Asian means Asia, which countries comes under the Asian. So Asian Games we can see. Asian Games officially is known as Asia. So all these countries they come together and Olympics, understand, they play in this game. We can see points to points, when it started and how it was started, we can see here. Points. There are recognized IOC means International Olympic Committee. International Olympic Committee is made, short form is IOC. You can be asked what is the full form of IOC. You have to say International Olympic Committee. Understand? I have written in points to points, it will be very easy. If you write points to points to remember, understand? Say International Olympic Committee. It began when it began and on which date, year. It began on 4th March 1951 in Delhi. It is very important. Further, if you participate in any competitive exam, see these questions can be asked. If you remember learn and forget, that is not there. You have to remember the date and year properly. It was played on March 4, 1951 in Delhi. Then AGF, what is the full form of AGF? Asian Games Federation. Understand, one federation, and it was in the name of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru who gave the name of this AGF. Understand? It was started by at that time. Then you see, fourth point we can see emblems of Asian Games. How is the emblem? You see, emblem, our nation, our country is tricolor flag we are having. No, in that time flag is there, and in that what is drawn on that? Bright full rising sun. Understand? Bright full rising sun, and with the interlocking rings, and rings are there on that. You see how is our emblem is there with bright rising sun and rings interlocking it. Understand? There are rings on that. So that is the emblem, that is the symbol of our Asian game. Then you see, for first time Maharaja of Patiala, Rajasthan, where he presented torch and flag for the first Asian game. Flag is, this is flag, emblem is flag is there made with this, and there was torch. You know, before any games is being started, torch, you know, it is carried by the people. Understand, of that country where the Asian Games is played, there the leader of this, they carry this torch. Understand, country to country. For suppose in India it is played, next time in China it is played, so that torch will be carried, flag and torch both will be carried to that country. So this flag is being given to that country where the Asian Games is going to be played. Now you see, already nine nations hosted the Asian Games. Where our Asian Games are played till now? India, Philippines, Japan, Indonesia, Iran, Iraq, South Korea, then Qatar, China. In these all countries, our Asian Games are being played. And when in Asian Games, no country has been left. Some other countries, they have won the gold medal, the silver, the bronze, what we can say. You see, 43 nations, 34, everyone has been won one medal. 34 nations, at least one gold medal has been won by every country. In some or some other games, so many types of games are being played. Understand? So now some new added games also are there. Many, these all type of games are being played. Olympic running is played, swimming will be there, and many games will be there. See, 17 Asian Games in South Korea in 2014, and in 18th Asian Game was played in Jakarta, Indonesia in 2019. Every 4 years, after every 4 years, this Olympic game is being played. Understand? Now this was the last 18. Now we can see further 19, 20, 21, 22. We games have been already name is given of that. Now when it is played, that is Asian Games will be played after every 4 years. So these arrangements where it will be made, suppose it is played in South Korea, it is going to be played. So arrangement are being made. Fine, where it takes a crore of rupees to spend, understand, in this Asian Games, understand, settlement. Understand, they have to provide with all facilities. If it is played in India, all facilities, the country where there is played, all the facilities are provided by that country. Understand? Now, so we can see 30 and this is 31 lesson I am explained. Please write to points you can get from your textbook. If you are having better textbook, it is very nice because on board I have given in points. I have explained you in points to point. If you even write in point to point, it will be very easy to remember. So thank you.